Heyo, welcome to Casual Thursday here at Get Going Fast Studios. And we're just going to quickly go through a real common error that you guys are probably having with your Torch and your CUDA at times. Guaranteed you've run across this. Let's pop over here real quick. Notice I tried running this app and it says Torch not compiled with. Oh, whoops. Torch not compiled with CUDA enabled. And I say to myself, I know that I installed Torch and I know that it had CUDA. Why is it not showing up? I'm going to show you probably what's going on. I'll show you right now. All right, well, welcome back to Get Going Fast. I'm going to get you guys going down to the road fast, and you're definitely going to learn something today. It's going to save you a lot of time because I'm telling you, we have to have CUDA for the vast majority of the stuff that we're doing, okay? Especially if we have NVIDIA cards, you definitely should be using CUDA. But here's the dirty little secret, is that the vast majority of these apps require CUDA. Okay, so when we do go over and get stupid little things like this and say it's not compiled with CUDA enabled, we go brr, brr, like that, right? A little bit frustrating. So let's go and take a look at what's going on. So I'm going to pop over to here. Now, for this, you can see I was trying to run Joy Caption and I installed it. Now, I know for a fact that the installer has Torch with CUDA in it, and I'll show that to you right here. Okay, this is our requirements file. Notice up here it's downloading. It's an old Torch. It's 121, but it's downloading CUDA 2.1, and there's your Torch right there. So theoretically, that should have like that. That should have ran properly. But when we snarf on back over to here, what we're going to discover is if we activate our virtual environment, okay, so, we call venv scripts activate, okay, we do that. Now you can see you're in the virtual environment because it says that right there. Now watch, if I type pip list, pip, of course, is our Python package installer, so I'm saying give me a list of everything you've installed. We're going to go down here, see it's going to come out alphabetical, and notice that Torch, oh, I already uninstalled it. Well, you would see Torch was in here and it was not the correct Torch. So we go, well, why did it not install the correct one? So now what we'll do is let's deactivate our virtual environment. Okay, so I typed the word deactivate. Now watch, if I type pip list, notice down here, oh my gosh, look at all this Torch that I have installed. So I've got Torch installed on my base system. And this one is the correct one. This one at least has a CUDA there for us. But the main problem is going to be that we have got conflicting Torch stuff going on. And so it's getting confused. It's just looking for the right package. So this is a big issue. This is why system pollution is such an issue. You don't want to install a lot of stuff into your main computer system because it can mess things up. It's honestly, it's kind of like using a rubber, latex or something like that. Like you want to engage, but you don't want to take anything away with you, okay? And virtual environments are like that. So we can run something inside this environment, and then when we're done, we'll just get rid of the environment, take it off, throw it away. Okay, now, terrible analogies aside, what happens with us here is that we go in there and we're trying to install, but we didn't put on the virtual environment, okay? And it at some point, not necessarily at this point, at some point along, it could have been any day, who knows, right? But at some point, Torch got installed on here and it's messing up. Also, very likely, Torch is sitting in our cache system somewhere. So it's not even bothered downloading. It's just got the wrong version. And then now it's cached as the wrong version. So when we uninstall it, it goes, oh, well, I've got the version over here. I'll just install it. So we need to do these small things and then everything will work fine for you. So here's the solution. We're going to go back to our base environment. Notice we are not in the virtual environment, but I'm going to go get rid of some of this stuff. I mean, look at all of this stuff should not be in here. Like the vast majority. My system is heavily polluted at this moment. So you can watch another video on how to undo that. But for now, I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to type PIP, so pip package and installer. I'm going to say, hey, pip, I want you to uninstall something for me. And I want you to uninstall Torch. Okay, that was up there. I want you to install all this nonsense, honestly. Let's get rid of Torch Audio. Let's get rid of Torch SDE. I can get rid of that torn out. I mean, all this stuff. Transformers should not be in here. All this stuff. I mean, but it's okay. We're going to leave that all for now. We're just going to deal with Torch. And what I'm going to do is make sure I spelt this right. Oh, I did not. Okay. I'm going to put a dash and then a Y. So that's just going to prompt it when it says, hey, are you sure you want to do this? I'll be like, yeah, I already put the Y, brah. So just do it. So now it's gone. So if I clear the screen, CLS, that means clear screen, and I type pip list, okay, check it out. Hey, they're all gone. Now, what we can do is we can go back into our virtual environment and clean it up. But let's do one thing really quick. We're going to clean the cache just in case it's got the wrong version in there. So let's type PIP cache purge. Whoops. Spell purge right though. Okay, and notice what it does. It goes through there and it deleted a whole slew of stuff that was in there. So that's going to save you some space. Also make sure that you got the right versions. So we can go ahead and activate our virtual environment. So we just type call VEMV scripts activate, and then that puts us in there. And then let's just go ahead and we can retry our install. So I'm just going to do my install.bat. Okay, it's going to go through all the stuff, and you're going to see that it's starting to download the Torch again. This time, notice it's downloading the correct version. So what happens with this stuff is that it goes out there and it stores your file over here, okay? And it says, I've already downloaded it once. Why would I bother downloading it again if I've already got it? Let's just put it over here on the shelf, okay? So then we're sitting there going, well, I got the wrong Torch. Let me go ahead and reinstall it. And it goes, oh, hey, guess what? I've already got Torch over here, but it's the wrong one. And that's because typically these things have the same file name, but they come from different location. So we want the file that comes from this CUDA location, but it got it from this other location. So we type in the name, blah, 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 and it goes, oh yeah, I mean the location. What's location? And it just grabs and goes, and then it reinstalls the wrong one. So you got to get rid of that. Okay. And then it rocks onto Electric Avenue. And now if we go through here, you can see we're done. Now if we clear the screen, CLS, and we type pip list, bloop, okay, you're going to notice, oh, now we have our Torch with CUDA installed. Okay, so there you have it. Oh my goodness. All right, all that just for that. But I'll tell you that that tells you to keep your system clean. Okay, that's one of the main reasons why at Get Going Fast we focus very much on making sure your system's set up correctly. Okay, because I know that if it's set up correctly, you're going to have a lot more fun. Right, you're going to have a lot more enjoyment. Hey, guys out there that are like digging a hole, that's not a lot of fun. But I'll tell you what, my grandpa, he used to take a file and he would sharpen his shovel before digging. He was a farmer guy, right? And he would make it sharp, and then he'd go out there and work, and it would cut so much easier, and the work was a lot better. So that's really the main reason you really want to keep your system cleaned up. You can go use these other garbage Pinocchio type things, but it's going to make it worse. So stick with Get Going Fast. Follow these tips. Focus on system health and cleanliness, and you're going to really enjoy. So, and as you guys hang in there, we'll catch up with you on the other side.